One of the fears that I think that her mother and I had was, how are we ever going to find another doctor for her and as good a care as we received at Children's Hospital? I think that was the biggest question we had.
Our patients and their families should not be afraid. We're good people, and we are geared towards helping people.
We have great communication between CHOP and our health system as far as patient records and knowing what's going on. We often even talk to the docs beforehand. They'll give us a call and tell us if they're sending us someone. We talk about them a little bit.
That's the beauty of the CHOP transition program. Before a patient comes to see me in clinic, I have at hand their records, and I have a letter summarizing their medical history to date, including medications that have been tried, surgeries that have occurred, so it's a very good summary.
A lot of us have sort of very similar medical knowledge, but all of us have different personalities and different ways of dealing with people and with problems, and I think that it's important to know that, one of the really important factors is finding someone that you really mesh with.
I knew that Dr. Osterman was a great doctor for me because when I initially met him, he was definitely on the same level as me. He knew how to talk to me in my age range, and he seemed very educated and very personable, so I wasn't scared to speak up.
In the long run, I think it ends up being that they feel comfortable in sharing things with you. I think the more they share, the better you can help them, because then you can sort of take what they like to do, what they don't like to do, and figure out a way to treat them in a way that works for them.
Ultimately, it's your care and it's your life care, because once you're an adult, and I want to stick with the same doctor for a very long time. So I definitely see that in Dr. Osterman, and I can definitely see myself growing up and having a family and seeing him for care and feel very confident with him.
Make sure that they care for you, and make sure they understand you, and be very patient with you. That's the most important thing.